What if I told you there's a credit union right now that's handing out $40,000 personal loans plus $40,000 lines of credit?
And they're doing 100% financing on homes, giving you 84 months on auto loans with no payment for 60 days. Marvin, that's a cash flow changer.
It is. And the best part, they primarily pull Experian for my credit nerds out there on the personal products. You don't need to be in the military, and you don't need a perfect 800 credit score.
Okay, so money magnets. In this video, we're breaking down Langley Federal Credit Union. We're going to show you exactly how to join, the 3 credit cards you need to look at, and the double dip strategy to get you $80,000 access to cash.
Right. And if you're tired of banks telling you no, you need to watch this video all the way to the end because we're going to show you how to get that bag.
Okay, money magnets, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gloria.
Hey, I'm Marvin. And look, we always tell you guys, credit unions are where the money is. The big banks, look, they just treat you like a number. Credit unions treat you like an owner, as you are.
Exactly, Marvin. Today, we're talking about Langley Federal Credit Union. They are based in Virginia, near the Nassau Langley Research Center.
Right.
Now, usually when you hear federal, or Virginia, you think what?
You think Navy Federal. Come on, Glo, you know what it is. But look, here's the thing. Navy Federal is great, but it's getting harder to get into if you don't have the military connection. You know what? Langley, they are what we call open access if you know the play to get in, guys.
That's right, Marvin. Yeah. To join, usually you need to live in the Hampton Roads area,
right,
or work for a certain employer. But here's the key, money magnets. You can qualify by joining a partner organization.
All right, guys, I need you to listen real closely.
Yes.
Usually with these credit unions, there's always a backdoor. Often it's a small donation to a consumer council or a specific charity listed right there on the application.
Okay, now when you go to apply, check the list of associations. If you don't live in Virginia, find a nonprofit partner option.
Right.
It might cost you a small fee.
Right.
Sometimes $5, maybe $10 to join the association, and boom, you're eligible for membership, Marvin.
Look, a $5 door fee to get access to $80,000 in funding.
Yeah.
Look, that's an ROI I will take every single day. Because you guys think about it, you're an owner. Once you get in these credit unions, you're not treated like the big banks treat you.
Okay, now, before we get into the $40,000 loans, I need you to do us a huge favor. If you love finding these hidden money sources, smash that like button.
All right, guys, and do me a favor. I need you to go to the comments right now because I want you to get this party started today. Type ready if you're ready to get funded. That's right. Type ready in the chat. We want to see who is actually serious about building their business credit and raising capital. Okay, let's talk about the meat and potatoes, Gloria. Let's talk about the part why they really came to watch this video.
Okay, so Langley offers personal loans up to $40,000.
Yeah.
These are fixed rate loans, great for consolidating debt or funding a startup expense where you need the cash in hand.
All right, but Gloria, a personal loan is cool, but tell them what product I actually love.
The line of credit. Let's go ahead and be clear. They also offer a personal line of credit, which we always call a PLOC, okay? And it's up to $40,000, money magnets.
All right, let's pause for a second. I need you guys to think about this. A personal loan gives you the money once. A line of credit is like a credit card, but it has cash access. You can pull from it, pay it back, and you can pull from it again. So think about it. You don't have to worry about, oh, I got to liquidate this credit card. If you get a personal line of credit, it's there for you to pull whenever you get ready.
Okay, Marvin. Now, here's the strategy. Let's give it to them. We see data points suggesting you can apply for both.
Right.
Imagine getting a $40,000 installment loan to pay off high interest debt.
Right.
And a $40,000 PLOC for emergency fund or even to start your business.
Exactly. Look, guys, that's $80,000 in purchasing power. And remember, they're gonna pull Experian. So if your TransUnion or your Equifax has collections or it's got lates on it, but your Experian is clean, look, guys, I'm telling you right now, this is your play. All right. Now, maybe you don't need the cash, but maybe you need a new ride, or maybe you want a boat. You know, they got great loans for boats.
Okay, let's be clear, Marvin. You know I want a boat.
All right, Gloria. I'm just saying now. Hold up. All right, Langley has some of the most aggressive terms I've seen.
Yes.
Let's talk about the auto loans, Gloria.
Okay, so they offer auto loans up to 84 months.
Yeah.
That's actually a 7-year term, Marvin. Why does that matter? Because it lowers your monthly payment,
right?
Drastically, which helps your debt to ratio income, your DTI.
Right. And guys, remember, your debt to income ratio is when you take all of your monthly bills, add up the monthly payments, and it's divided by your income. So like, let's just say you make $10,000 a month, but you have $3,000 in bills. That means you have a 30% debt to income ratio. That's actually a pretty good place to be. All right. Imagine driving off the lot in that new luxury car to meet a client. Hey,
yes.
And you're not stressed about the payment. That's why a 7-year payment matters. Why? Because Langley offers up to 60 days. No payment. You can buy the car today and you don't have to pay for 2 months. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, what we're saying is, Marvin, that allows you to keep cash in your pocket.
Yeah.
And yes, for the boat lovers like me, they offer boat loans up to 120 months.
Right.
That's a 10-year term, Marvin, for a toy. I love it.
All right, but let's get serious. We want to talk about wealth. Okay. All right, real estate is wealth, guys. I want you to hear this part right here. Listen closely.
Okay, Marvin, this is huge.
Yeah.
Langley offers 100% financing mortgages for first-time home buyers. That right there, Marvin, that's a cash flow changer.
Whoa. Say that again. No down payment?
No down payment. 100% financing.
Wow.
In this market, keeping your cash for renovations or reserves, if you get into a hard time.
Right.
If you can get into a home with zero down, you are winning, money magnets.
And let's talk about for those who may already own a home. They got something for you guys too.
Okay, this is what they have, Marvin. Let's dive into it. We're going to go a little bit deeper.
All right.
They have home equity loans. You can tap into that equity to start your business.
Yeah.
Remember, we teach you how to use personal credit to pivot into business credit. Using a HELOC to fund your business entirely is a pro move if you have the discipline, money magnets.
Right. And speaking of business credit, guys, think about this. 80% of the people that come to us, they want to get business funding, but they don't always have their personal credit in order. And look in the comments below. We got something for you on that. All right. Look, getting a $40,000 personal loan is great, but putting $40,000 on your personal credit report might tank your score if you utilize it all. So you got to be careful.
Exactly. You need to know how to move that money into a business structure so it doesn't report to your personal credit profile. That's important.
It is. And look, if you're a business owner and you want to know how to take this capital and protect it and how to get funding that never shows up on your personal credit, look, we need to talk, guys.
Okay, what we're offering is a free business strategy call. We look at your file. We see what funding you qualify for. We look at what you have going on. Let's be honest.
Yep, and we don't want to guess. Let us help you build a blueprint. I want you guys to look at the link in the description. Stop playing small, guys. If you're ready to go big this year, look down there and make you guys an appointment.
Okay, Marvin, let's wrap it up with the plastic, the credit cards. Langley has a few options, okay? But here are the top 3 you should be looking at, okay? Because we want you to win, money magnets.
Right.
Langley Cashback Visa Signature Card. This is your daily driver. You can get cash back on gas, groceries, and wholesale clubs, like Sam's or, Costco. We're Costco lovers, okay?
Yeah.
Now, the second card is the Langley Platinum Visa Card, okay? This usually has a lower interest rate if you plan on carrying a balance, which you shouldn't.
Right.
We like to pay everything off at the beginning of the month and then, continue to use your card. That beats the interest. This is a safer play.
It is.
Okay.
It is.
But number 3, the Langley Essential Visa. Okay, great for building credit if you're just starting out. So you want to keep that in mind. If you're just starting out, don't apply for the higher end card. Go with the starter card. Okay.
And you know, Gloria, the good thing about Langley, if you look at their credit cards, they tell you what credit score you need to qualify for the card. So you don't have to really guess. That's one thing I liked about their website. All right. Here's the high limit secret, guys. Credit unions like Langley often have a max exposure limit, meaning the total amount of credit they will give you across all products. All credit unions have this.
Okay. But since they're generous with their personal loans up to $40K, be careful. If you get the $40K loans first, they might give you a smaller limit on the credit card.
Yeah. All right. Pro tip. I usually apply for the credit card first to get a high limit, maybe $15,000 or $20,000. Then I go for the line of credit or a loan a few months later. You got to remember, when you're starting with a new credit union or a new bank or whatever, you got to pace yourself a little bit.
And remember, we always talk about relationship.
Right.
And keep in mind, they pull Experian for these cards.
Yep.
So lock your Equifax and TransUnion if you want to be safe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. And think about this, guys. Langley Federal is easy to join. They got huge limits. And like she said, they will pull your Experian if your other bureaus you got problems with. At least you got somewhere to go.
Okay, Marvin. But what if they have a lot of inquiries on their Experian report? What if their Experian score is too low? What do you think?
Great point. If your Experian is trash, Langley might deny you. I'm going to keep it real with you, but you got to always keep a backup plan. If you need a credit union that pulls TransUnion or Equifax, guess what? We got something for you.
Okay. In fact, we found one. We found a credit union that pulls Equifax and gives out up to $50,000 with just a soft pull to check the rates.
All right, guys, you need to watch this video right here next.
Yes.
We're going to break down the Equifax King of Credit Unions. Click right here and we'll see you in the next video. All right, let's get to the money. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.